Today at the FoneFunShop we are changing our iPhone 6s battery. So to start off with, we need to take the bottom screws out. So that's one. And now we need to take the screen off. So you can put it on the heater if needed. It just loosens the adhesive around the screen. So we are just going to put that on now. So now that we've waited a few minutes, we're going to take the screen off. So I'm going to go in right there, just near the audio jack. There we go, that should be open. And now, there's either two things you can do. I mean, you don't have to take the screen off, but I like to take the screen off just to make sure the connections don't get caught on anything. So I'm going to do that now. So just take this plate off. Then I'm going to take this plate off down here so I can unclip the battery so there's no power going through the phone. Just take that off there and then unplug it. And then I'm going to take the screen off like I said. And now we need to get the battery out, so we're going to put it back on the heater just so all the adhesive underneath loosens up and we can just get it out easily. So I'm just going to put it back on now. So now the battery's been on for a while, we are now going to need a heat glove as it's been on the hot mat at a higher temperature just so the adhesive loosens under the battery. So now we're going to take it out. So I'm going to use the back of the tweezers. We're just going to get in there. And there you go. So the battery's out. So now I'm going to fit this battery with the adhesive strips. So we're going to do that now. So now I'm just going to put the adhesive on here. Make sure the tabs are down there. And we're just going to stick it in there. We're going to make sure that this is going to fold in so it doesn't affect the screen. So if we put it there, that fits in nicely and it should clip in easily like that. So now the last part is to put the screen back in, test it to make sure it works. Yeah, so we always make sure that we test first. So I'm not going to screw anything in, I'm just going to plug it in. So now we know that the phone turns on, I'm just going to screw it back together. Now that's all screwed down. We'll put the screen back in. And to finish off the repair, put the bottom screws back in. And there you have it. That is an iPhone 6s battery repair. Thanks for watching.